So we will see how to install WordPress manually on our server. The question number one is, why do we need to install WordPress manually when we already have Spectaculars and all that? Okay. In some cases, some services, very rare, like in 100%, I can tell you, maybe 5% of the services hosting companies, they will not have Spectaculars app installer in some rare cases. So in that cases, we have to install WordPress manually, but it's not a complex process. It's a very simple step-by-step process. I will let you know how to install WordPress manually in a simple manner. So first of all, what we need to do? So what we need to do is go to wordpress.com.org and download the WordPress software. It's a free software, so just click on download WordPress, and you have to download this entire zip file, which is 4.7.4, whatever is latest. See, now I'm taking this video at 4.7.4. whatever the time you're watching the video, whatever is latest, you download it. That is step number one. Step number two is go to your website where you want to install this WordPress, and we know that once you log in into Cpanel, we have already provided you the details. So once you log in into this Cpanel, you have to go to File Manager. After going to File Manager, you have to select public_HTML. You see on the left hand side here, public_HTML. Now, these are all the files which are all the sites already created by some of our other students. All right. So we are not going to disturb this. Just create your new folder where you want to display this website. So I would say, okay, Azure 12 is my new folder where I want to install WordPress. So Azure 12 here. Now there is empty. Now what we need to do is upload this WordPress file, the entire zip file. This is a step number one, which is taking the WordPress and then making this WordPress information, and after that you can unzip. Here you have to just say extract. That's it, and click yes, extract. So entire WordPress will be now extracted into our folder. But there is another problem also. So just a second. See, my folder where I want to install this is, I want to display this as what? As a folder name Azure 12, but again it is having another folder which is WordPress. So I don't want so many levels. So what you can do is open up and select all these files, select all, and then move it one folder upward. Just move it one folder upward, which means you can just move all of these files into the parent folder. So which means now see, you see all the folders files are available right away in the folder Azure 12. Okay. Now just remove this folder, not required. So finish. Now you see at the end of our requirement, what we have got under Azure 21 folder, all the files of WordPress are located. This is very important because here only we will do all the installation process. I hope you understood this point. Now step number two. Now step number two is to install WordPress. We require a database. We require a username. We require a password. We require database and all that. So how do I work on that option? Is you have to go to another option here, which is under databases, MySQL database. Now create a new database, Azure 12. All right. So first I'll create a new database, and then I have to manually create a new username also. So that is created. Go back. Then new user, Azure 12, and password also I want to give Azure 12. Okay, I think it's not taken. Right. Hello 121. Minimum. Okay. Hello @ 121. hello@121 is the password. This is the database username create. So first create a database, then create a username, and after that now we have to link our database with our username details. So how we do that? There is an option below. Yeah, add user to database. Our user is Azure12 and database is Azure12, and just click add. Then there is the option all privileges and click make changes. Done. So this is the database also created. That's it. So this is the two steps. So step number one, copy your WordPress into your website and then create a database for your project. And see, your database name is webtrain_azure12. That is your username, that is your database name, and password is hello@121. This is two steps are completed. Now the third step is you have to go to the URL where you have uploaded your file. So in our case, it is webtrainings.co.in/azure12, and now installation will start. See, this is your WordPress installation screen. Just say continue and just say let's go. Now, what is the database name? webtrain_azure12. Password, sorry, username also same, password hello@121, and database localhost should be localhost, and leave this as it is. Click submit. Then select run the install. Then site name, my sample site. Your admin name for WordPress, admin. Password, you can leave anything you want, your wish. I'm using just hello@121 only, and give your personal email address here. Okay. And if you want to discourage search engines from indexing your site, because when you are developing you want to discourage search engines, so discourage and click install WordPress. That's it. So WordPress is successful. This is the process of installation. Now you will get the same login screen, admin hello@121. So this is the process of how to install the WordPress manually on your server. That is the process. I hope you understood this concept. Any question you have here, please ask. So I will be sending this, I will be uploading this video. So once you check the video, then you can ask any questions, and you can try it on your server or even our server, and you can able to do it. Right. I hope you understood this video. Thank you.